Hello guys, this is my recent add-on to my vacuum cleaner collection. This is a Hoover Elite Supreme. I trash picked this vacuum. It was sitting by the dumpster outside my apartment, and it was in really amazing shape. It was just covered in dust, that's all. So I took this to El Paso, and they were able to fix it at Collins Vacuums. They told me that it's barely been used, but it was just really dirty on the outside. So I assume it must have been in storage for years. And probably the owner decided they didn't want it anymore, so they threw it out. It is missing some of the attachments, but I do hope to get them in the near future. See, it's in really good condition. It's all polished up. It's pretty much restored. It also has a brand new bag in there. And yeah, I really like this vacuum cleaner. It's from 1994. And yeah, it's a 90s Hoover. Let's look at under it. Look how clean that is. And this was trash picked. It was just covered in dust. That's all. Don't know why someone would want to throw out this piece of beauty. I'm gonna flip it over so we can look at the serial. Pause if you want to read. C1194. This is a 1994 Hoover Elite. I assume it was made in November of 1994. And overall, it's a really excellent vacuum cleaner. I am planning on putting this to use here. But I hope you all enjoy this. It'll be a pretty cool vacuum cleaner to see being used, and I will stop the video here for now. Trying to angle this right. Okay, I think it's good like that. Hope my phone doesn't fall. I'm currently not using a camera for the time being. You know what, just in case it falls, I'll put a pillow under it so that it won't undergo any damage. Okay, and here we go. I'm gonna change the angle view so it's not always gonna stay like this. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video of this Hoover Elite. It's a really neat vacuum cleaner. I'd recommend it for household use. Much better than the vacuum cleaners made today. Only thing I do wish is that this had a bag full indicator, but it doesn't. So I'm not sure how you can tell if the bag is full or not. Other than that, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed.